Hello students, in this video I am going to explain how to draw the graph of logarithmic function, and using graph what is the domain and what is the range. Y equal to f of x equal to log x to the base a, where a greater than 1 and lies between 0 to 1, open interval 0 to 1. Now at present a is unknown. I am taking in exponential function I draw the graph when a equal to 2. Now in logarithmic function I draw the graph when a equal to 10, because we can use the logarithmic table. So now I am drawing the graph of y equal to log x to the base 10. Okay, when x equal to 1, when x equal to 1, y equal to 0. When x equal to 10, log 10 to the base 10. So when x equal to y equal to, when x equal to 1, y equal to log 1, which is equal to 0. When x equal to 10, y equal to log of 10 to the base 10, which is equal to 1. When x equal to 100, y equal to log of 10 square base 10, this is 2. So when x equal to 1000, this is 3, and so on. Okay. So when x equal to 0, 1, y equal to 0. When x equal to 10, y equal to somewhere here. When x equal to 10, y equal to 1. Similarly when x equal to this, and when x equal to half, when x equal to 1 by 10. When x equal to 1 by 10, y equal to 1 by 10, y equal to log of 1 by 10 to the base 10, log 10 power minus 1 to the base 10 minus 1. When x equal to 1 by 100, y equal to minus 2. So this is the graph. It never touches the y-axis. It never touches the y-axis. It goes on up to infinity. So is there any restriction? Very important. Here you can't substitute any negative value as well as 0. So very important. In x from logarithmic function, that is log x to the base a, the value of x is always strictly greater than 0. Only positive value you can substitute. You can't substitute 0 as well as negative value. That is the reason for it is right side of y-axis. 0 is not possible, and right negative value not possible. There is no curve to the left of y-axis. Also the no curve at origin, because here x is strictly greater than 0. So what is the domain? Domain is open interval 0 to infinity. What is the range? Vertical length of a curve. Vertical length means from bottom to top. So here minus infinity, it goes on increasing, and hence plus infinity. So range equal to r. Domain is open interval 0 to infinity, and range is real number r. Okay. So very important. What is log 0? So in your future studies, you can easily know the best short tricks. For example, log 0. Log 0 is minus infinity, because when x is very close to 0, y is minus infinity. What about log of negative number? Log of negative number is not possible. From the graph, log 0 is minus infinity, log of negative number not possible. So practice similar type of graph with a different base, and instead of x you can discuss with are there any other algebraic expressions. Thank you. Hello CBSE 11th and 12th students. Are you looking for maths, physics, chemistry, online and offline tuitions? Marvel classes by Akilan Institute provide both offline and online tuitions, and with separate Marvel experts, and we have best study material, regular test with doubt clarification class. Also we have excellent support through Marvel digital courses. It is not like ordinary one-way communication online classes. It is two-way communication. You can interact with teachers on the class itself. And what is the one big advantage of Marvel? We will focus other subject also. Last 3 months we will provide coaching support for biology, computer science, English, to get more marks in your board total. So this is a proof of that coaching. And one more advantage, join before 30th of this month and get flat 30% concession and complete digital courses through Marvel classes. If you want to attend free live classes, call 7092008008 or 7092005005. So you can attend 1 week free trial class. After that you can decide. Thank you.